Related rates means that we're going to have several derivatives. So rates is derivatives, and then related means what's the relationships between these derivatives. To begin with, this object is traveling around a circle of radius 3. And then it says dx dt, so that's saying in the x direction. So here's the x direction, which means left or right. In the x direction, it's going negative 10 meters per second. So if x were negative, that means it's going to the left. So it's going to the left, which means that the object, and that's when x equals 2. So when the object was right here in its path, it's going to the left, which then tells us it's going that direction. So as far as x is concerned, it's going to the left. And then as far as y is concerned, it's going up. Unless at x equals 2, it's possible that the object is down here. So it seems that there's more than one possible answer. If it's down here and it's going to the left, then it's going that direction. Okay, so now find dy dt. So that's implicit differentiation. Take the derivative of this with respect to t. So this is going to be a 2x, and then you have to take the derivative of x with respect to t. Likewise, it's going to be 2y, and then take the derivative of y with respect to t. And the derivative of a 9 is 0. Next, find dy dt. So solve for this. So take this expression and move it to the other side by subtracting. And now to solve for dy dt, all we need to do is divide both sides by 2y. The 2's are going to cancel. And then we've got negative x dx dt over y. So in order to solve for this or get a number for this, we need a number for x. We've got a 2. We need a dx dt, that's negative 10. We also need a y. And so that is when it's right here or right here, what's the y value? So substitute x equals 2 into the original function, and we'd have 4 plus y squared equals 9. So y squared is equal to 5. And then here's where the two possibilities come in. It could be up here at the positive square root of 5 for y, or down here. So plus or minus the square root of 5. So dy dt has two possibilities. Negative x is a 2. Dx dt is a negative 10. And then depending on where it is, it's either positive or negative the square root of 5. So we'd have the number 20 divided by the square root of 5. So it could be positive or negative 8.944. So the units for the vertical or horizontal velocities are in meters per second. So then the explanation is, for if it were in this place, that would be that it's going, as far as dy dt, it's going down, and so dy dt would equal going down, so negative 8.944 meters per second. And then if it were this case, that would be that it's going up. So for this one, it's going up and to the left, and this one down and to the left.